In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into QuickBooks Online and navigate its recurring transactions feature. Understanding this can really streamline your financial management process. Let's dive in and get you started. First up, you'll want to have your browser ready. While any modern browser should do the trick, I recommend using Chrome for the best compatibility with QuickBooks Online. Once you're ready, head over to quickbooks.intuit.com. This is the central hub for accessing QuickBooks, and you'll want to sign in using your account credentials. Just remember, having secure passwords is crucial to protect your financial data, so ensure yours is strong and well guarded. Once you're logged in, we'll navigate to the recurring transactions section. This is where you can manage all your automated financial routines, whether they be invoices, bills, or payments. To get there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the gear icon, which looks a bit like a small cogwheel. Click on it to open up a menu with various options. Under the column labeled Lists, you will find an option for recurring transactions. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're looking at your list of recurring transactions, you have a wealth of information at your fingertips. Each entry in this list shows several critical details. You'll see the type, which indicates whether it's an invoice, bill, or payment. The template name, which helps you identify each transaction quickly. The interval, so you know how often the transaction is set to occur. And the next date, which tells you when the transaction will occur next. Understanding these elements can help you keep better track of what's going out and coming into your accounts. If you want to delve deeper into any specific transaction, simply click on its name. This action will open up the details for that recurring transaction, allowing you to review or even edit them. This is particularly useful if you've recently made changes to your billing systems or any vendor information. Managing your recurring transactions efficiently can also be done from this list. If you need to make adjustments, you have several options. You can edit any entries that require minor tweaks or updates, delete those that are no longer necessary, or pause transactions temporarily, especially handy for seasonal expenses. And if the need arises to create a brand new recurring transaction, this is the place to do it. There's a new button that you'll find here. Click on that to set up a transaction from scratch. This feature allows you to automate new financial routines, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. By following these steps, you'll have a solid grasp on managing recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online, enhancing both your efficiency and financial oversight. Thank you for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping.